Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Epic Games Launcher on Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11 installed, and to download and install Epic Game Launcher, simply open up any browser. In my case, I am opening the Google Chrome browser. Open up a new tab, and here type in for Epic Games Launcher. So here you can see Epic Games Launcher. Just go and open this up. Here we have stores.epicgames.com. Download the Epic Game Launcher. Click on this one, and here this would open up this menu, so you can see the URL as well. Now here go and click on Download Epic Games Launcher, and here you can see the download has begun, and within few moments, depending upon your internet connection, this will be downloaded. So wait for this download process to complete. Meanwhile, I will plug in the PC on power. So here we are almost done. You can always open from it from here, or you can always go to your downloads folder and open it from here. Double click to open, and here it says simply go and click on install. It asks for permission, click on yes. So here you can see the installation process is on the way. So just go and wait for this to complete. So here we are almost done. So you just need to wait a bit more, and the setup will be completed within few moments, and after that it would launch itself. So here you can see it is now verifying update, and it has to download a few updates before launching. So that process is going on. Even if I go to my task manager from here, task manager, and if I go into the performance, so you can see the Wi-Fi is receiving a lot of data, and that is basically this update being downloaded. So again, you need to wait for this update to download, and once this update is downloaded successfully, after that it would install this, and then the Epic Game Launcher will launch itself, and you'll be able to play games as you want. So just go and wait for this download update. So it's a 600 MB update, depending upon your internet connection and usage. It could take time. It's raining outside. You might be enjoying that noise as well. So now here you can see it is installing and verifying update. And we are almost near to completion. And in few moments you'll be able to see that Epic Game Launcher will launch itself. And meanwhile, through the installation process, it would ask for multiple permissions. So just go and simply click on yes, and the process of installation will continue. So now hopefully the launcher will launch itself, as all the needed softwares and prereqs are installed now. So here you can see, you can simply go and sign in or sign up if you want to make a new account from here, and enjoy the Epic Game Launcher. So hope by doing so you'll be able to download and install Epic Game Launcher on Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share.